Hey everybody, I'm Jeremy from WeldTec Designs, and today I wanted to show you our latest creation and Chevy 4x4 conversion. So you know that if you've been watching our channel here on YouTube, and we know that you have because you're about to go subscribe by pressing that subscribe button if you already haven't. But what we are out here to do today is to show you our newest 4x4 conversion. So as you look at this van behind me, you're gonna see that it's not typical of most of our four-wheel drive conversion. This is our extremely toned down version of our Chevy Express van that you guys know, that you love, that we continue to build just awesome things for these Express vans. So what we wanted to do is take it down, all the way down to giving you just the essentials that you need to have a four-wheel drive van. No front bumpers, no roof racks, no rock sliders, no wheels and tires, no nothing. Like, we want to give you the meat and potatoes of your four-wheel drive conversion here on your Chevy Express van. The way we're doing that is we're doing all the truck components that you would normally get from all the other manufacturers that are doing the conversions to four-wheel drive. What we've done is we're running this on a torsion bar setup for the front end, and we're running all the same normal front differential, transfer case, drive shafts that we would normally run in our coilover system, just without the coilovers and without the billet upper arms, without the box lower control arms. However, if you want to know more about our coilover system, I'll put up a card up here and you can go ahead and click that card. That'll link you to one of our videos showing you our 4x4 coilover conversion system. But what we've done here is we want to give you the essentials to get you off camping, to get you out with the family, to get you out enjoying beautiful places like this. I mean, I want to just put up a tent and hang out here. Forget going back to work. All I need is a fishing pole and I would be good to go. Back to the van. What we've done on this though is we were also running our Fox shocks. We're running the Fox shocks up front here to really control the ride even better than what you're gonna get out of most shocks that people are running in the front of these. So you can see that this van sits really high. So we're getting a true 5 inches of lift out of this, so that's gonna allow you to run that 33-inch tire. So if you wanna run a bigger tire, you totally have the area here in your wheel well to go to that. However, you may want to think about running our mini fenders on here or possibly trimming your fenders back. Another video, I'll throw up another card up there, and it also shows you how to cut away the wheel wells in order to clearance for running a bigger tire. So we're trying to really cover everything that you could possibly need, whether you're having us build your van or you're going to be building it at home. We're trying to cover all these things and help assist you guys in giving you the equipment, the gear to do these installs yourself. So as we move on to the back of this thing, and you'll see that this thing is long. This is another 155-inch wheelbase van. This is a big van. I'm having like flashback memories of about a year and a half ago when this was my van right here, before we got crazy with our 2018 SEMA build, which we definitely had a lot of fun, where we got nuts and did all kinds of fun stuff. But back to this, what we've done in the rear of this is we're running the blocks in the rear to get us the height we need out of the back in order to match the front. In the back though, we talked about it in the front, we're also doing the same thing in the rear. We're running our Fox shocks in the rear to control the ride. So overall, you're gonna have the Fox shocks at all four corners. It's gonna give you a lot better ride quality than you would get out of just the standard shocks, non-gas pressured shocks. So that's gonna be a really nice feature that you're gonna like about the WeldTec Designs four-wheel drive conversion. This is it right here. We just kind of wanted to walk you through it. Now, from here, there's endless possibilities. We can do a ton of other stuff, but this gets you started. Now we can just keep outfitting it. We can add you your method wheels. We can add you your Toyo tires. We can add your rock sliders to it. You want front and back bumpers, no problem. Maybe you really want the Ultra seat conversion because you want that awesome, really plush, nice leather seat. What I'm just trying to prove is that everything that you need for your van, that's what we're trying to give you here at WeldTec Designs, as far as a lot of different components that you can have to build your Chevy Express van. So enough about vans. I'm gonna go see if I can find somebody with a fishing pole maybe, and maybe I'll go fishing. We're just gonna hang out here and go fishing and just leave the phone though in the van, so then that way the guys at the shop can't bug us. So hey guys, thanks for watching. We hope that this video was informative, and if it was, please comment below, let us know. We want to hear what you think. Would you go torsion bar or would you go coil over? So comment below, let us know which way you would go converting your van, torsion bar or coil over. Make sure you smash that subscribe button and ring that bell. Right now we're putting out a new video every week, so we hope that you find these videos informative and helpful, so that whether you're building your Chevy Express van or Ford van or whatever you may be doing here in the near future or currently, this will help you. So hey guys, thanks again for watching. I'm Jeremy from WeldTec Designs, and we will see you guys on the next video. See ya.